Three-way switches allow for controlling a light fixture from two separate locations. These are usually used at the top and bottom of a flight of stairs or at two different entrances to a room. In this presentation are several wiring diagrams that can be used to map three-way lighting circuits depending on the location of the source in relation to the switches and the lights. Three-way switches have three terminals to carry circuit electricity and one terminal for ground wire. Of the three circuit terminals, one is called the common and the other two are known as travelers. The common terminal may be labeled and is usually a different color than the traveler terminals. Depending on the manufacturer, the travelers may be on the opposite sides of the device or the two terminals may be on the same side. In any case, the common terminal will be distinguished from the travelers in some way. A three-way switch is known as a single-pole double-throw switch, and its schematic equivalent looks like this. The common terminals will always be connected to a hot wire, either from the source or on the light fixture. These connections can be reversed if it's more convenient, as long as one of the three-way common terminals connects to the hot source and the other connects to the hot on the load. These circuits will work properly. The traveler terminals will always be connected from the switch to the switch. Travelers never connect to a device load or to a source wire. It doesn't matter which traveler terminals is used for which traveler wire, reversing them should make no difference. Of course, the ground screws are always connected to the ground wire. You will notice that three-way switches only involve hot wires. The neutral is only needed in the light fixture or possibly when needed to power electronic equipment in the switch box. In this diagram, the electrical source is at the first switch and the light is located at the end of the circuit. Three-wire cable runs between switches and two-wire cable runs to the light. The black and red wires connect switch 1 and switch 2 and are connected to the traveler terminals. The hot source is connected to the common terminal on switch 1 and the common terminal on switch 2 connects to the hot terminal on the light. The source in this circuit is at the first switch and the light fixture is located between switch 1 and switch 2. Three-wire cable runs between each switch and the light fixture. The hot source wire is connected to the common terminal on switch 1. The common terminal on switch 2 is connected to the hot terminal on the light. The traveler wires are spliced at the fixture box to run between the traveler terminals on the switches. They are not connected to the light. Notice that the white wire in the three cable between the switch number 2 and the light will carry a hot connection to switch number 2, so it is marked with the black electrical tape or paint. In this slide, the source for the circuit is at the light fixture and the two switches come after. Two-wire cable runs from the light to switch number 1 and three-wire cable runs between switch 1 and switch 2. The hot source wire is spliced at the light box to the white cable wire running to the first switch box. There is a splice to the black wire running to the second switch box, which is then connected to the common terminal on switch number 2. Remember, when the white wire is used for hot like this, it is marked with black tape or paint. Back at the light fixture, the hot terminals on the light is connected to the black wire running to the common terminal on switch number 1. At switch number 1, the red and white wires running to switch number 2 are used as travelers, connecting the traveler terminals between the two switches. Again, The white wire is marked with black on the ends to identify it as hot. In this arrangement, the source for the circuit is at the light fixture, which is located in the middle of the circuit. 3-wire cable runs to the switches on each side of the light. At the light, the hot source wire is spliced to the black wire running to the common terminal on switch number 2. The hot terminal on the light fixture is connected to the black wire running to the common terminal on switch number 1. The red and white cable wires are spliced in the fixture box and run to the traveler terminals on both switches. They do not connect to the light fixture. The white wire again is marked with black on both ends to identify it as hot. Ready to go beyond just solving problems? If you've been following my daily post and enjoying the sample problems, you're going to love this. All of these problem sets and more are now available, or soon will be, on my official course site, my stand store for electrical training. Just go to the web address that you see at the bottom of this slide, https://stand.store/GVB. In order to avoid power outages that you may have experienced last year, EcoFlow has a January deal to help you power through winter with no grid, no worries. If you are in the United States, you can get up to 65% off some products, and if you spend $2,500, you will get a 220-watt solar panel free. Furthermore, you can earn an extra 5% off when using coupon code 26EFNYAFF. This offer is only available until January 28th, and all of this can be obtained by accessing this link. If you are in Canada, you can get up to 54% off some products, and if you spend $2,000, you will get a 110-watt solar panel free. Furthermore, you can earn an extra 5% off by using the coupon code 26EFNYAFF. This offer is only available until January 28th. All of this can be obtained by accessing this link.